In this video, I'm going to show how to clean and hydrate old wood. I'm also going to give you a little tour of this antique art box I got on eBay. So I'm using Miss Mustard Seeds hemp oil and just plain distilled white vinegar. The recipe is 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. And the key here is to use an oil that is meant for furniture refinishing and it will not go rancid. You don't just want to use vegetable oil from your kitchen. Give it a little bit of a mix, and I applied it with just an old terry cloth towel. I also like to use microfiber cloths because they don't shed very much. You can use a lint-free cloth as well, and you want to just rub it into the wood. The vinegar cleans the wood, and it can also address any kind of dusty, musty smells, and the oil hydrates the wood, which is why it's such a great mixture. This is only going to work well on pieces that either don't have a finish or that have a finish that has worn off. So it's maybe a very soft finish. It was oiled at some point and the oil has dried out. It's not going to work very well on a piece that has a thick polyurethane finish that's going to prevent the oil from penetrating. And you can see how just beautifully hydrated this box is once I rubbed the oil and vinegar mixture onto it. And once I have this mixture out, I want to use it on everything. So I used it on the palette that came with the box, all of the brush handles, and I also went around my house and used it on any pieces of furniture like this $50 Craigslist find. I got this antique chest. It had some water damage and really needed to be oiled to bring out that shine. So here is the box. As I said, I got it on eBay. It was a great find. I was the only bidder, so I got a really good deal on it. And it came with all of these awesome accessories, which is the reason why I wanted to buy it. I didn't really need another art box, nor did I need more art supplies, but that's another issue. So this is a palette cup. It clips onto your palette, and you put oil in 1 cup and solvents in the other. And it came with these amazing brushes, these long-handled hog's bristle brushes that I am going to use. I don't like to buy antiques just to use them as decoration. I like to actually use them for functional purposes. And these brushes, a lot of these are sable brushes, which are super high quality and can be very expensive. So this was a great score. And the box came with the original tins with little brass lids that were used for carrying solvents and oil. And it looks like they're still going to work. I haven't put anything in them yet. And in the lid is a little surprise. It's a folding palette. And this is such a clever design. They're actually wood pieces that prevent the palette from closing all the way. So you can actually transport it with paint still on the palette. It won't get, smushed or anything. And the little clasp on the back keeps it open when you're using it. And then you undo the clasp and can close it and put it back in the lid. It's quite a smart design, I think. And one of the reasons why I love these old art boxes, they're just so clever and beautiful. And actually that little wood piece around the rim that's lighter than the rest of it is a repair that was done by a great woodworker. They did a wonderful job, and it makes me love the box even more. And so it's going with all of the other antique oil painting art boxes that I have. Most of these are early 1900s or late 1800s. They're all from France. If you like antique art supplies, let me know if you'd like to see more of my collection. Please subscribe. Make sure that you leave a comment and let me know what else you'd like me to share. On my channel, you can also find videos on furniture refinishing and upholstery and more.